In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a camera shake when you fire your weapon. So the first thing you need to do is right click, create a blueprint class. Come over here to where it says all classes at the bottom. Type in shake, camera shake, select that. Then give it a name. So in this case, I'm just naming it shot shake. Double click it to open up its properties. Then what I'm going to do is change the duration of it to about 0.25, so a quarter of a second. Then the rotation oscillation and the location oscillation, I have some properties that I need to change. Change the pitch and the yaw, and location, the X and the Z. So the amplitude and the frequency, I'm just going to put in numbers that fit for me right now, but if you want to change them, you can totally change them if you want to. That's pretty much the point. You just experiment with this. So 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Because they're set to random, they'll go between a 2 and basically a 0 and a 2 amplitude and a 0 and 4 frequency with this offset right here because it's random. And then the X I want to keep at a 0, which means there will be no randomness to it. And I'm going to set this to 30 and 1. And then over here, the Z, I want to change this to 10 and 50. And keep that at random. Compile that. Close this. Then what I need to do is add it to my first person, the shooter. I'll click Blueprint. Double click my first person character. And I need to find in this blueprint where the projectile, the spawn will be. So it's right here. So spawn, projectile. And I need to see where the input fire goes. So when this key is pressed, I need to go all the way to the end, and I'm going to go to where it says play sound at location. Drag this out. I'm going to type in shake, play world camera shake. The actor is going to be the epicenter of this, so select that. And then the class, I'm just going to select shot shake. Compile that, close it. Now this may be a little loud, so don't get startled. But when I fire this right now, you're going to notice that the camera shakes a little bit. And actually it didn't do that. That's because I forgot to add right here for the outer radius a 500. Now when I do this, if I fire, you notice it shakes a little bit. That's all you have to do to add a camera shake whenever you fire your weapon.